Welcome to Haven and Green, where timeless design meets fresh inspiration and every space tells a story. Whether you're passionate about modern architecture, elegant interiors, or beautifully crafted outdoor living, you've come to a place where creativity and comfort come together. Every home begins with an idea. Sometimes it's inspired by nature, sometimes by innovation, and sometimes by the simple desire to create a space that feels peaceful, welcoming, and uniquely personal. Great design is never just about appearance. It's about creating an atmosphere that improves everyday living while reflecting individual style and personality. Across the world, homes are evolving in exciting ways. Designers continue to explore new materials, cleaner lines, brighter spaces, and thoughtful layouts that blend beauty with functionality. As lifestyles change, living environments are becoming more adaptable, more connected to nature, and more focused on comfort than ever before. The smallest details often make the biggest impact. Natural light, carefully selected textures, balanced colors, and harmonious proportions can completely transform the feeling of a room. Every element works together to create spaces that are not only visually stunning, but also calming, practical, and enjoyable to experience every day. Luxury is no longer defined by size alone. Today, true luxury is found in thoughtful craftsmanship, timeless elegance, sustainable choices, and designs that stand the test of time. Spaces that encourage relaxation, creativity, and meaningful moments are becoming the new standard for modern living. Innovation also continues to shape the future of homes. New ideas are constantly redefining what is possible, making living spaces smarter, more efficient, and better suited for changing lifestyles. By combining modern technology with timeless aesthetics, homes become places that feel both sophisticated and effortlessly comfortable. At the heart of every beautiful space is a sense of balance. Clean architecture, inviting materials, natural surroundings, and carefully considered details create environments that inspire happiness and well-being. Whether bold and contemporary or warm and classic, exceptional design always leaves a lasting impression. We hope each video encourages you to discover new ideas, appreciate thoughtful design, and imagine the endless possibilities that great architecture and beautiful interiors can offer. Inspiration often begins with a single image, a simple detail, or a fresh perspective that sparks something entirely new. Thank you for spending your time with Haven and Green. Your support allows us to continue sharing inspiring homes, innovative concepts, and beautiful spaces from around the world. If you enjoy exploring exceptional architecture and timeless design, be sure to like this video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to Haven and Green for more inspiring content. Turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos as we continue exploring remarkable homes, creative ideas, and the future of modern living together. We look forward to welcoming you back in the next video.